Yeah. Write little love notes on a post-it, and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh boy, do 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 do. Yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh babe, haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya biglang may breakfast baby, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Dro.
Oh, I love you. Pilit kang patatawanin.
Paano ako mag-explain nito kay Madge?
Oh yeah. Kahit di ka tawagin,
Ano, Kuya Lev? 6'7".
A private date to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share the snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Do 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 do. Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya may on-the-spot delivery, and this time I won't be late. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. So romantic, baby, I'ma let you have it.
Marinas?
Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. No, babe, haharanahin kita, tayo magpunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya libre ka ng
Matunaw.
kahit di ko by sige, lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. Haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya iaalay ang kantang ko na sinulat para sa'yo.
Hindi pa puri. Puri. No.
Just wanna do simple random things.
Ni Oshi ko si Julius. Baliw pa talaga.
Napapatingin, napapakilig, madalas sa iyo napapatitig. Tuwing dumadaan, napapagaan, araw na punong-puno ng kaguluhan. Mahihikain yata ang tinamaan bata, para lang sa sulyap mo ako'y mamamanata. Makasilay lang sa'yo. Makasimple lang sa'yo. Kinukonsya ba na lahat ng kabarkada? Napapansin mo bang dalas makasalubong ka? Kahit na magpigil, ako ay nanggigigil. Ano pa bang magagawa? Ikaw ay feel o hihikain
Alam ko yung tatay.
Hindi naman ang bata para lang
Tatay talaga?
sa mo. Ako'y
Utang?
mamamanata.
Anong utang?
Makasilay lang sa'yo.
Nahatak na.
Makasilay.
Sa akin ka na natin, Chanel.
Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo ako'y para sa'yo at ika'y para sa'kin. Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo ako'y para sa'yo at ika'y para sa'kin. Makasilay lang sa'yo.
Delikado na, babe. Bakit delikado? Ba't mo hinihila? Small intestine ko. Hatak na hatak. Bakit delikado? Papahatak na ba? Yes. Pahatak ka na. Nahatak na tatay ko sa'yo. Lagot kay
Gusto ko
Wida.
lang naman makausap ka eh.
Ayun lang.
You know, I just want to talk.
Hatakin ko na kayo lahat. Sa akin na kayo.
Swifty on the beat. Panty droppers
Halos
league.
5 oras na akong nag-aantay sa'yo. Nag-aabang ako sa labas ng bahay nyo. Sibat ng sibat kung sisilip ka ba sa bintana. Magpakita kay parang di yata. Ilang beses ka na, lagi na lang ganyan. Kung iwasan ako'y parang ayaw akong nandyan.
Ito yung team song ko para sa mga oniriris ko pag nang papadlak ako. Paalam lang ako, Riri. Anong paalam? Paalam sa, like, anong context? Yes, this is the sign. Oniriris.
Ipagdadamot kita kahit na anong mangyari. May gusto ka mang iba, sa'kin yun ay di na bale.
Ah, okay. May paalam pala yun. Go.
Kahit saan tayo kumain, alam mo kahit sinong lalaki,
Go.
anong laban nila sa'kin.
May gusto ko mang iba, sa akin di na bali. Isang tawag lang naman yung atensyon mo na babae. Hindi mo pa ako kilala kaya mo lang nasasabi. Pare-pareho lang kaming gagong mga lalaki. Kabisado yung kalsada ko, ikaw yung patasya ko. Pag dumating sa pundong di na kaya ako sasalo. Akala mo ata di mapapana puso mo.
Di ba may ritual ka dati?
Di tatamaan sa dala na tubig ko. Yung hoodie ko suot, ayaw mo na hubarin.
Yes.
Ang movie man o di mahinasyon ko pa rin. Pag ikaw kasama ko kahit saan tayo liparin. Sana ako lang mahal mo gustong tiyakin. Biyakin ang puso mo, hindi ko intensyon. Ang galing ng Diyos, may ikaw na imbensyon.
Eto muna, demure muna.
Sa akin kahit hindi election.
Pa-demure muna tayo, guys.
Lahat pag ako finish.
Ipagdadamot kita kahit na anong mangyari. May gusto ka mang iba, sa'kin yun ay di na bale. Halika sagot kita kahit saan tayo kumain. Alam mo kahit sinong lalaki, anong laban nila sa'kin. Kahit di ako kasing tamis na naman lalaki, alam mo mas mabangis kapag ako kapares. Kahit sinong maulit sa'yo ay mayayari. Walang pwedeng gumalaw sa aking pag-aari. Huwag mo na akong tignan, di ako matakot kaso lang ikaw yan. Kapag nawala kayong tira.
tao sa buong mundo. Why? Oh, why? Ulit-ulit nasaktan sa mga salitang di pinagsipan, pero sa mga panahong ngayon lalo akong tumapa. Idiliin ko siya dahil hindi nila problema. Why? Oh, why? Matayog na mga layunin, halos di mo lang umaabot. Sarap, halos ika'y mapapa.
Tumingin sa langit ng umaga, sa araw kung tawagin ay ngayon.
Bakit? Nasaan yung remote ko? Parang tumalab na. Tumalab na daw, guys. Ito. Dapat ganito music. Wait lang. Let's go, Lucia! Nananiwali. Bruja.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora. Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora. Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora. Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora. Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora. Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses.
No Way Man era ko. Wait. Wait lang, ano nga yun? Guillaume pala. Guillaume.
잘 때 나 혼자 내버려두지 않기로. 일더기는 귀요미, 이더기는 귀요미, 삼더기 밤은 귀요미, 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 사더기 사도 귀요미, 오더기 오도 귀요미, 육더기 육은 귀요미. 잘 때 나 혼자
Yun lang. Guillaume era. What?
잘 때 나 혼자 내버려두지 않기로. 일더기는 귀요미, 이더기는 귀요미, 삼더기 밤은 귀요미, 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 사더기 사도 귀요미,
no, egg yolk. No, wala pa tayong 100k likes. Lugi. Hindi ako mauuto. Dati nauuto ako, ngayon hindi. Uy, ito si Gamerzone, magpapaalam pa daw siya. Katakot ka naman. Papaalam yung pag-ushihin, grabe ka. Please na. Hindi, wala pang 100k taps. Grabe, ito si Gamerzone lang yung kilala kong lakas loob na magpaalam para mag-ushihin. Like, love mo kami, 'di ba? Ay, kayo ha, nanggigil trip kayo ha. All my life, all my idol career, kahit 5 months pa lang, magsi 6 months pa lang ako. Si ano lang yung first, si Gamer 48 lang yung first kong kakilala na, nagpapaalam para mag-oshihin. Wow, tapang mo naman. Yan kayo, inuuto nyo ako eh. Inuuto nyo ako, hindi pa nga tayo 100k taps. Mamaya na yun. 100k taps muna kasi. Ayoko, nakalimutan ko lang. Yahoo, minasan. Watashi no namae wa Riri desu. Choose one, 88 or Eggyo. Eggyo na lang, wag na mag-88. Watashi no namae wa Riri desu. Anata no Momiko-chan nante mo ii. Ni Oshi lang daw. Hindi ako mag-88, bahala kayo dyan. Pinapahiya ko sarili ko nun. Yala ako nung Man. Tayo na lang. Mamaya na, pag nag-100k tops tayo yung egg yung. Doon kita nakilala eh. Talaga. Dahil doon, biglang napadalas yung sa live ko. Hanggang sa naging tipaklong. Naunahan pa ko na Ate Miray mag-88 guys. Nakakahiya.
มีเขาอยู่แล้วยังดึงอายเข้าไปหาอายคนนอกสายตาเจ้าบ่แค่บ่สนอายมันคนใจง่ายที่เจ้าบ่รู้ตนเบื่อนำคำบอกคนเฮ็ดให้เฮาเปลี่ยนไปเจ้าไม่เฮ็ดให้รู้สึกดีแล้วก็ยังหนีไปเจ็บแท้น้อใจอายอยากถอยคืนกลับมาแต่ใจมันพังไปเบิดแล้วเฮ็ดได้แค่เลือกใจเจ้าของว้าตัวตีเขาไปเป็นมาลิงจิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมาลงมาแนงมาปลงปองแปงงองแงงในชีวิตเจอขวาตัวที่เขาไปเป็นมาลิงจิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมาลงมาแนงมาปลงปองแปงงองแงงในชีวิตเจอปานเป็นทีบ้าเว้าหลายก็พอเจอตั้งแต่น้อยจนใหญ่ก็เพิ่งสิเคยเจอบาล
ลองกองแกงนะเนาะใจอาย
ขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมะนองมะแนงมับปะลองปองแปงงองแงงงองแงงในชีวิตเธอขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมะนองมะแนงมับปะลองปองแปงงองแงงงองแงงในชีวิตเธอปานเป็นผีบ้าเว้าหลายกับพ่อเธอตั้งแต่น้อยจนใหญ่ก็เพิ่งสิเคยเจอมาลองกองแกงแค่นอใจอาย แต่ใจมันพังไปเบิดแล้วเฮ็ดได้แค่เลือดใจเจ้าของขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมะนองมะแนงมับปะลองปองแปงงองแงงงองแงงในชีวิตเธอขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมะนองมะแนงมับปะลองปองแปงงองแงงงองแงงในชีวิตเธอปานเป็นผีบ้าเว้าหลายกับพ่อเธอตั้งแต่น้อยจนใหญ่ก็เพิ่งสิเคยเจอมาลองกองแกงแค่นอใจอายขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกองแกงมานองมาแนงมับมาลองปองแปงงองแงงงองแงงในชีวิตเจอขอโทษที่เขาไปเป็นมะลิงกิงกองสารน้องกอง
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Fighting by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, party pop. Pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, party pop. Oh, I'm a gummy bear, yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Ba-ba-ba-doo-doo-yum-yum. 3 times you can ride me. Ba-ba-ba-doo-doo-yum-yum. 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 3 times you can ride me. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. And it's about doing my tea here and get
Tama na kayo. Inuuto nyo na ako, ha? Ang Pop-Up Doll. Kanta yun eh. Nayon. Sige, kanta tayo. Kay Nayon. Pop, Nayon. Jisoo Life. Ayan, sige. Pop-up pala, ha?
Change of plans before.
Pop-up pala, ha? So, yung pop-up, ha? Yung Jisoo ni Rika. Pati buong. Hindi na charge, eh. Hindi na charge yung ano ko, si Jisoo. O, Jisoo lang, ha? Hindi brand. Kayong... Let's go. What's wrong? 흐린 듯이 난 너를 자르게. Pop, pop, pop. Watch out. 틀린 듯이 내 쁘쁜 말을 따를 때 내 마음대로 play it. 거침없이 shake it. You know, 넌 내게 달렸던 내가 날아도 이미 너 나를 웃어. 익숙가 없어. 들리는 눈빛이 나를 넘지 baby. 까칠이고 싶은 너 Pop-up doll. Pop-up pop. Pop-up. Pop-up pop. Pop-up. Pop-up pop. Pop-up. Pop-up. Pop-up doll. New jeans tayo. Original lang kaya? Original. I'm gonna sing in original lang. Walang echo. It's about you, baby. Only you. 내가 힘들 때 옷도 까줄 때 기운 더위 제 나지 않을 때 It's you 안 했다니 It's you 오겠다니 말해도 돼 Boy what do you say 멀리 드는 재단 기다려와 바쁜 거나 없이 다 나타나 이게 말이 turning 아무로워 너는 말야 So wanna slip into my system baby Oh my god Yes and I was really hoping that it will come through Oh my god 진짜뿐이야 Asking all the time about what I should do No I can never let him go 나만 생각나 24 난 행한 아야 좀 말라 I know nandito si Pash Pash kahapon. Dumalaw si Pash Pash. I'm going crazy right, audition it, may fun it Oh, nandito siya. No, good job, 괜찮아, cause I got someone. 후다라도 괜찮아, cause I got someone. 멀리 드는 재단 뒤달려와. 바쁜 척도 없이 다 나잖아. Nag-ballin. Late na yun eh. Pa-end na ako nun eh. 너는 말야 Someone's living in my system baby Oh my god Yes and I was really hoping that it will come through Oh my god 진짜뿐이야 Asking all the time about what I should do No I can never let him go 나만 생각나 24 난 행한 아야 좀 말라 I know Oh no, new jeans I know Baby Weird ba guys? Ito yung original ko. Walang echo, walang ano, wala lahat. Dahil na whatever, babalik sila. Yun yung original. Ito yung original ano ng voice ko guys without the echo thing. Kaso 4 na lang. No! Oh, babalik yan. Trust. Ano nga yun? Oh, right. Tama. Okay, that's why. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah, blah, blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say. Do you, oh Cupid, walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. maglalaro tayo ML mamaya. Da-da-da, ba-ya-da-ya-da-da, da-da-ya-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ya-da-da, da-da. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest, I'm telling you today. Profile picture, alam ko na yan. Walks right through and shoots on it. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know I've loved you from the start. Hello, 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 hello. Mas okay to, room. Andun na ako sa squad. In-invite ako kagabi. I thought I saw your face today. Na 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 na.
Wag nang mali.
I thought I saw your face today. Na 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 na. Mas okay to, no, compared kanina. Over yung echo. Moved out to a new city. June is dawning down on me, and all that I can find. Eto. That I find someone to love. Ooh, this can't be right. 'Cause the sun's engaged to the sky, and my best friends found a new guy. I'm only getting older. I've never had a shoulder to cry on, someone to call mine. Everybody's falling in love and I'm falling behind. Wait lang. Ito yung room. Ha. Karaoke? Ito naman yung hall. Yung room or etong hall? Which one? I thought I saw your face again. Na 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 na. Hall. Okay, eto hall. Touched the ocean, fell right in. Stepped outside and burned my skin. My life won't go my way. Sino yung na-mute? Hope that I'll find someone to love, because the sun's engaged to the sky and my best friends found a new guy. I'm only getting older. I've never had a shoulder to cry on, someone to call mine. Everybody's falling in love and I'm falling behind. 2, 3. Langaw be like, paldo-paldo. Mamaya, maglalaro tayo ng ML.
Thinking,
Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. I see you standing there in your whole wear, and all I can think is where is the ring? 'Cause I know you wanna ask, scared the moment will pass. I can see it in your eyes, just take me by surprise. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. But I want it to be out of the blue, so make sure I have no clue when you ask. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Now we're having dinner, and baby, you're my winner. I see the way you smile. You're thinking about the hours that you reach in your pocket. Emotions are lurking, and before you could ask, I answer too fast. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. So now I can't stop thinking about you. Had all the clues, so now I ask, baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Sige, Kuya Zelke, sure. Da-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Baby, no spoilers, please. Okay, Kuya Zalgage. BRB may bibilin. Okay, Kuya. Hello, Pops. No spoilers, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And I love you 3000. For our next song, ano tayo, 30K tops. Every summertime, malulupit. Makita ni Rio yung nilalagay mo. Kita mo yung nilagay ni Ram. 30K tops for our next song. Minasan. Every summertime. Ah. 18, we were on the grass. Stayed out late, never made it to class. 30K tops for our next song. Crying to win the fast and oh. 30K tops for our next song, Minasan. Balloons are deflating. Yes, they look lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. They stab me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you off my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that don't last forever. It's cold outside. Like when you walk on my life, when you walk on my life. You're like this every time. All these days. No comment, Julius. But even though you're killing me, yeah, I need you like the air I breathe. I need you. The cut that always bleeds. Why no comment? Catch please. Tap 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 the screen. 38 taps for our next song. I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes on fire. You really know how to make me cry. When we give me those ocean eyes, I'm scared. I'll never fall out this high. Falling into your ocean eyes. I'm scared. Hey. 18, we were undergrad. Stayed out late, never made it to class. Had a Richmond in a taxi cab. You were sweating bullets in the wet of my dad's. And oh, hello, Vicky. You said, baby, think we're moving too fast. And I swear the magnolia splashes found. Yeah, and that's when caught me hoping you'd say a while, say a while. Baby, I keep on planning to travel such mind. Baby, I fall in love again every summertime. My daddy taught me to do some worthy. 'Cause baby, I fall in love every summertime. 25 memories in church, laugh about. We're heading outwards, yeah. Dinner with your sister and the jokes kinda hurt. Hide away the home and you put in the clothes. Oh, you just always know what to say. Oh, no. We're strolling down the boulevard and dancing under street lights. Oh, yeah. Every year we get older and I'm still on your side. Oh, hey, I gave up anything to travel inside your mind. Baby, I fall in love again from every summertime. My daddy told me to choose it wisely, but you don't have to try. Summertime, heavy days, summertime, our next song. Sorry. Ano tayo? Fall in Love Alone. Fall in Love Alone yung next song natin for 40K taps. If we never try, how will we know? Maybe how far this thing could go. No. Sino dito? Galing. Or we can do Sabrina Carpenter. Hello, PJ. Kuya PJ, hi. 40K taps for our next song. Let's do Espresso. Or please, anong song ni Sabrina, guys? Anong song ni Sabrina? Sige, please. 40K taps muna for our next song. Please. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Saan ka po ngayon, Kuya PJ? 40K taps for our next song. Please. Cagayan, wow! Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Papa J na tuloy. PJ! What are you doing in Cagayan? For work? Taray?
Swear I couldn't sleep awake last night. No point in turning off the lights. Not the same without your head on my shoulders. Growing pains, I don't wanna get older. Almost like we left it all already. Couple feelings never laid to rest. Didn't know that the party was over. And it's true that I need you here closer. Burning photos. How to learn to let go. Are you still?
Sorry, hindi ko alam. Kuya PJ, I'm sorry. Condolence po. Hala, sorry. Kala ko work. Oh my God. Condolence po.
Somebody in another skin. I heard that you're happy without me, and now it's true. It kills me a little, that's okay, 'cause I die for you. You know I'd still die for you.
Wow, stickers. Gift ko yan sa inyo eh.
I hope you're getting everything you needed. Found the buzz.
Dikit mo sa noo mo dito.
Just wanted you to know every reason.
Dikit mo sa noo mo para alam ng lahat kung kanino ka. 40K taps, guys, for our next song. Please. By Sabrina Carpenter. By Sabriri.
Burning photos. How to learn to let go. Are you
Siyempre, mapaangkin talaga. Dikit sa noo. Inuuto na naman ako. Dikit nyo sa noo, yung stickers, dikit nyo yan sa noo nyo. Pwede din dito, pwede dito, para alam nila kung kanino lang kayo.
happy without me?
Kami Oshi ko yan si Riri. Ganon. Life hacks. Pimple patch. Yes, tama ka dyan. Gawin yung pimple patch. Bilang sumigaw ng oniriri. Oniriri! Pero palitan mo. Iba pa billboard. Ayan, gusto ko yan, billboard. Earrings yung padlock namin. Go! Go! Ang dami yung ideas ha. Gusto ko yan. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel this way. I promise them that you're different. And everyone makes mistakes. We just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever goes inside you, blow them out tonight. I'll tell them that's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Dami yung idea, gusto ko yan. Please, please, don't bring me to tears and I just thank you, Kuya PJ. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, mother. How? And please, please, please. Well, I have a fun idea, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. No, you can live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding, but really, 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 please, please, please. Ayun lang. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears so that heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, mother, father. And please, please, please. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. You don't wanna cry to my music, make me hate you prolifically. By the way, nakita ko to si Kuya PJ sa live natin Sarina. Sabi niya, loyal ako kay Sarina. Kami, Oshi ko si Sarina, loyal ako sa kanya. Please, please, please. Bye, Kuya PJ. Aray mo pa, kaka. Oh, 50K taps for our next song. Royal kay Riri. Lamay TV, naghugas ako ng plato. Ah! Tinaboy niya ako. Hindi naman. Siyempre, ikaw pa din, Papa J. Early days ka din eh. Nag-auto-clicker. Buti pa ako. May reason really. Ask mo na lang sila. Anong reason yun? 50K taps for our next song, guys. Real man. Would you hold it down? I can't wanna get you again. Need some reassurance, baby, not a silly romance. Bye-bye, Kuya PJ. Running there, I was there. I remember it all too well. Maybe we got lost in translations. Maybe I asked for too much. Oh, na 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 na. Running scared, na na na, I remember it all too well. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Dear Lord, when I get to heaven, please let me bring my man. When he calls, tell me that you're right. Anong song natin? Wanna tell me? As usual guys, 60k taps for our next song. Wait, hanap muna tayo ng... Hindi ko na makanta yun kasi meow 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 daw sabi ni Puri.
Change
Hindi
of
ko na
plans
siya
before
makanta ng normal. Ang dami ko nang hindi makanta na normal. Yung, yung, yung jealous ng eyelid. Yung sa meow meow meow. Sinira nyo na yung ano ko, yung hearing sound ko. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Take me on the date, I deserve a babe. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. Hey, you got a 9 to 5, but baby, so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making apple pies. I never let it go, but I can write a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'd like to try let my body right. You know I'm never wrong, why disagree? Why disagree? You gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Hey. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and no one ever see your family more than mine. Hey, I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey, open doors for me and you might get some kisses. The dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Huh. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. Saika, sure. Future husband, better love me right. Sige ba, Saika. 60k taps for our next song. Minasan. Nung next. Parang naano yung spirits ko dun, na lift. Hello, Red. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Dito kasi si Red di pwede sabayin. Ayun lang. At wala akong masabi. Ano nga ulit to? Ay. Anxiety, keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, get it off of me. Somebody's watching me in my anxiety. Hindi pa pala. Ito pala yung kay ano. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Uy, bilis nag 60k eh. May pagka-evil side ako kaya sasabayin ko na lang kayo lahat. Agoy ka. Anxiety, anxiety, Amen. Anxiety, anxiety, Timer, two-timer. Hindi siya two-timer. Ano siya? All-arounder. Talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and slide right in. A satellite and even therefore I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give, I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Ano daw? Come on then, I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man, man. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and a place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give, I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. Mahal na ata kita, boy. Ako din, boy. 70K taps for our next song. Love Me Not tayo.
Ice Frankie.
Love Me Not yung next song. Sige boy. 70K taps for our next song. Minasan. 70K taps. Our next song will be, ang tawag doon? Love Me Not. But I wish you come here. And always hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Always hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time, hello Sia. Strong enough to sink it. Oh no, I don't need you, but I wish you come here. He love me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. He love me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. 70K taps for our next song. Meow meow.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Wrote you a letter. Now that I'm here without you, hope that you're better. Hope that you found someone new. 'Cause I'm getting
Hello Kuya Yuri. Egyo, oo na.
I can't go back now,
Hindi
nothing.
niyo talaga nalimutan eh, no?
But I won't forget how you called my name. And I was afraid, now I'm afraid.
Good evening Kuya
Will
Yuri.
you remember me? Will you remember the way that I was? Will you remember me? Will you
Kidding.
remember the way that you felt?
Hindi niyo talaga nalimutan yung Egyo, no?
Will you
Remember, do you remember me?
Do you
Remember, do you remember? Last summer.
We made plans that we will always be.
End na daw siya before.
Never, never
End na ako guys, end na pala ako before 100K.
thought that we'd be dreaming.
Eme!
I'm getting older, know that I've changed. I can't go
70K taps for our next song.
the same, but I won't.
Next song natin is Love Me Not. Anong magagawa niyo kung mag-end ako before 100K? Eme lang. Hindi, love ko kayo. Malakas kayo sa akin. Hindi ko yan gagawin. Or, unless, madaya ka. Unless 70K taps for our next song. May masamang balak to. POV attitude. Ay, hindi. Jenny. Ganito si Jenny eh.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit keep on singing. I can't keep my penny from dropping. It's so fly. Run so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much, don't play yourself.
Rich.
Not the one, but
POV ng Rich Tita mo single.
just can't be my man. You say you feel different when you
That's gonna be me soon.
my energy is different laying next to
BGC
you.
girly.
All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dump. And you know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rushes that you young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my pennies from dropping. It's so fly. lost me. We're walking to me, just lost in it. He's left me on the way I got no problem. Too back in me, but all that action go. And if I handle it, you know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die.
Ganap na ganap. Ganap na ganap talaga. Ako pa ba? Ako na to eh. Low. POV ng BFF mo single. Hello, Jason. See you right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you. Take care now, slow down, be cool, I miss you. Come here now, it's yours now, keep it, I'll hold it until now. I need you right now. Once I leave you, I'm strong out. If I get you, I'm slowly breaking down. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. But I wish you'd come here. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink in. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here. He loves me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. Soon as you leave me, we always lose connection. It's getting messy, that you losing your grip, got a hold of me. Now forever, let's get back together. Lord, take it so far away. I pray that God, we don't pray. I want you to take me up and down, around and round again. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to see you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I wish you come here. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink in. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here. He lets me go, he loves me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He hold me tight and lets me go. You gotta say that you're sorry at the end of the night. Wake up in the morning, everything's alright. At the end of the story, you're holding me tight. I don't need to worry, am I out of my mind? But I wish you were right here. Oh, when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink it. Oh no, I don't need you, but I wish you come here. Or die on this hill. Kuya Yuno, ano lang, chorus lang yung alam ko niyan. Wow, grabe naman kayo. Ano agad? Wala pang 10 p.m. Malapit na mag 10 p.m. Relapse tayo. I'm gonna pull out my Moiriri Dilatory card. I thought I saw your face today. Na, 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 na. 80k taps for our next song. So you challenging. Wait. Hands of Gabriella, Gabriella, hands of Gabriella, la la. Pretty little baby, yeah yeah, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside. Hello, Kuya Henner. In your head, where'd you put it on the beat? Na na fire starting in my heart. Reaching na 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 na. If only could make a deal with God. And what is it? Back na pala yung atake niya today. Pakanta kay Riri. Yes! Kaso, ano lang, chorus lang yung alam ko niyan. Gomen, gomen, gomen. Gomen. Safe and sound. Cocomelon. Tang, tarang, tang, tang, ting. 80k taps for our next song. Always Be My Baby by Mariah. Coco Martin. Tang, tarang, tang, tang. Tang. Do-do-do. Oh, yeah. Do-do-do. Kainis talaga tong ads na to, men. Ano, ads ka na lang? Parka eh. Yes! Bakit ayaw mapin? Uy! Bakit make it to the morning?
I'm obsessed, and I can't admit it.
It's so natural, you got me wrapped up, yeah, you got me hooked up, yeah, you got me loved up. It's so magical what you do it untouched, yeah, you got me unstuck, yeah, you got me love struck. Hi, hello, you've been running circles in my head, you know. You said we were gonna take it nice and slow, and now I'm telling everyone I know, and it's looking alright with me. So if it's okay with you, I think I'm gonna love you for a long time, baby. It's breaking news. I think I'm gonna love you for my whole life. If you wanna know the truth, let me whatever forever.
80k taps. Kumain ka na? Hindi pa po. Hindi po uso yung kain sa akin. Papeles para silupain. Pakisabi na lang. Bilhin ko na lahat. Memorable sa akin na kanta yan. Sinaw namin sa music kapatid ko. Oh! I see, Papa J. Questioning all the things you told me.
Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home alone and need like come for me, I'll be right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And it's a shame that we ain't, we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down, man, I'm drowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. I'm already trying to dance me, babe. Wanna be somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Hit the party and get friendly.
Honestly, no, I don't got it in me.
It's no fun when you're not here with me.
It's me and my mixed music taste against the world. Do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-do-do-dum. Yeah.
'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die. No, you'll always be a part of me. And I'm part of you indefinitely. And boy, but you know you can't escape me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase a feeling this strong. I know where you're never gonna shake me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Do-do-do. I ain't gonna cry, no, and I won't beg you to stay. If you tell me to leave, boy, I will not stand in your way. But inevitably, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, you'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Boy, don't you know you can't escape me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase a feeling this strong. I know where you're never gonna shake me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Bad boy. When your days and your nights get a little bit colder. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know. Do. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. And boy, don't you know you can't escape me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase a feeling this strong. I know where you're never gonna shake me. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Hey. Hold on, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Time can erase a feeling this strong. I know where you're never gonna shake me. Do-do-do. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. 90K tops for our next song. Next song natin, wait. Let me. I will never be a royals. Good evening, 365. Wow, malapit na 10 p.m. Magre-relapse na tayo. Malapit na. Inaantay niyo talagang 10 p.m. No? Na-apply, they kinda let us say words. They crave different kind of us. Let me be your ruler.
Ready for a get?
You can call me Queen Bee, baby, I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. Oh. Inantay nyo talagang mag 10 p.m. Malapit na. 90K tops for our next song. Stick with you. Well, stick with you. 100K tops pala yung inaantay. Akala ko 10 p.m. Akala ko royal pala. Pwede bang after 9 p.m., 11 p.m. agad? Oh no! Humingang malalim. Sticky. And you're the one else with that. Women will be. Na with the summer motion. At sa rin ng mama. Tigas-tigas ng tao, tas magre-relapse. Hay nako, Kuya Kim.
Milo Champ. Milo Champ.
Go go Milo champion, go go be a champ. Go go Milo champion, go go be a champ. Let's go. Go go Milo champion, go go be a champ. Go go Milo champion, go go be a champ.
Everybody in the school, we are all good. Not just kids, we are champs. Getting in the groove, all our dreams, all our hopes, we all let it out. Growing up, building champions, we'll shout.
We're growing up with the winning energy.
Winning each day,
Every day with Milo.
got what we need to last the day.
We're growing up with the winning energy.
Winning each day,
With Milo, we are champions.
go Milo champion, go be a champ. Go Milo champion, go be a champ. When I wake up in the morning, I feel up healthy food, good nutrition in my plate and cup. I need all the energy.
Magligtas ng mundo na para bang tagabantay siya ng Coco Milo. Kalalaking tao bading. Sa naghahanap po ng Milo Chub, ito na guys. Kalalaking tao naligo bading. Pwede nang sponsoran. Malungkot ako, tumutumigil ng 14 dyan. Na 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 Ayun ba yun? Balang araw ay makakapti. Iba pala yun, sorry. I have a bad thing with kalalaking tao nagre-relapse bading. Papatugtig niya pa talaga. Go go mama champion, go go be a champ. Go go mama champion. 8-8. Sinking. Uy, wala pang 10 p.m. OA naman kayo. Uy, ala. Kaalisan na sila. Panis. Hey. I don't wanna go another day. So I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. Seems like everybody's breaking up and throwing their love away. I know I got a good thing right here. That's why I say, hey, nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you. Fishy ivy, I must stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I must stick with you. I don't wanna go another day. So I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. See the way we ride in our private lives, ain't nobody getting in between. Refresh mo. Hey, nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you. You know how to appreciate me. I must stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. Stick with you, and now ain't nothing else I can need. And now I got you, baby, making love so endlessly. Nantay niyo talaga yung ano ko. Egyo. No all-time favorite. Anong all-time favorite? Yung uusapan niyo dyan. Gagi bilis na 90. Oh my God. Ayoko. Parang, anong magagawa niyo kung mag-e-end ako before 100K? May entry ako sa 2016. Oh, hey, you know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You would know that you are. Ooh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Ano yan? Ayaw ka ba mag... Yahoo! Yes! Yoko. Ah. Ayaw ko magigyo. Hindi ba madadaan?
Napapatingin, napapakilig, madalas sa iyo napapatitig. Tuwing dumadaan, napapagaan, araw na punong-puno ng kaguluhan. O hihikain yata ang tinamaang bata, para lang sa sulyap mo ako'y mamamanata. Makasilay lang sa'yo. Makasimple lang sa'yo. Kinukonsaba na lahat ng kabarkada. Napapansin mo bang dalas makasalubong ka? Kahit na magpigil, ako ay nanggigigil. Ano pa bang magagawa? Ikaw ay feel na feel. O hihikain yata ang tinamaang bata, para lang sa sulyap mo ako'y mamamanata. Makasilay lang sa'yo. Makasimple sa'yo. Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo ako'y para sa'yo at ika'y para sa'kin. Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo ako'y para sa'yo at ika'y para sa'kin. Makasilay lang sa'yo. Para-paraan. Para-paraan. Makasimple lang. Makasilay lang sa'yo. Para-paraan. Come on. Makasilay lang. Swerte mo kung mapagbibigyan. Ingatan mo pag-ibig na isang kakaibig, 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 kakaibig. Simple walang ate, prente lang siya lagi. Pagkakasundo ng puso't utak nyo ay grabe. Kayang sumabay sa trip ng inyong tropa. Siya payat ang makatagtala sa'yo sa Dota. Di ka pahihirapan pa akyatin ng ligaw. Kahit ang kaya mong ipakain na nga isa. Huwag kang magkakamali na pag-isipan siya ng cheat. Wala lang talagang kaso sa kanya kung mag-G. Marunong maglaba kahit wala sa itsura. Di na niya rin kailangan papamustura. At kahit na kanino mo dali nagpakilala na GGB ang lahat sa galing niya makisama. Di na nakala, di na mumulis ng cellphone yan. Pero magloko ka lang, lagot at mapipektasan. Oo, magaling siya makipagbiruan. Pero ang puso mo'y hindi paglalaroan. Swerte mo kung mapagbibigyan. Ingatan mo ang pag-ibig na isang kakaibig, 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 kakaibig. Panatagpuan mo pagkawalan. Minsan lang makahanap ng isang kakaibig, 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 kakaibig. Simple lang pumama pero swabe ang dating. Sa lahat yata ng bagay hanip grabe ang galing. Check na hindi makabasag pinggan. Pero sa basketball tambak hindi ka papagbigyan. Di na niya kailangan ng kayo ka para puso mo ay kanyang makuha. Di rin siya yung tipo ng babae na pang-trip lang. Kung maluloko ka, mag-isip ka, please lang. Ang ganda niya sapat para mapakanta ka ng sila ang lahat. Okay lang yan ba? Siguro kulang ka sa talino ko sa kanya'y di tapat. Inakala mo na madali siyang palitan. Napapatunay ito na kailangan ng tapasan mga sumay mo. Kundi hindi siya nararapat sa buhay mo. Swerte mo kung saan mapapiligan. Ingatan mo ang pag-ibig na isang kakaibig, 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 panatagpuan mo pagkawalan. Minsan lang makahanap ng isang kakaibig, kakaibig, kakaibig. Di mo siya maririnig humingi ng tawad. Mararamdaman mo na lang at magugulat. Ang gagaan ng loob kaya siya ay walang katulad. Di siya yung babae na masasabing tipikal. Dahil mismo ang ugali at ganda sumatotal. Ang buo niyang pagkatao ay higit sa pisikal. Swerte mo kung mapagbibigyan. Ingatan mo ang pag-ibig.
Diyos ko, tulungan niyo ako. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Kuya Gian. Ano, ready? Ready na ba lahat? Ready lang. Please. Ayoko nang umulit. Please. Dapat... Patakasan to ng loob. Men. Naman tayo. From the start. Shimay, ayoko na. Hindi mo Wait lang. Wait lang. Three, two, one. Yahoo! Minasan! Watashi no 名前は、リリです。あなたの、コニコちゃん、なんてもいい？かわいい。にゃにゃ。Okay. Yak. Ano yun? Kawaii desu ne. Yak. Ano ba yun? Last, sige, last. Last, ha? Anong lag? Shush. 1, 2. Yahoo! 皆さん。私の名前はミリです。あなたのコニコちゃん。Hindi ko kaya. Wait lang. Bakit kasi? Inuuto niyo ako eh. Wait lang. Inuuto niyo ako eh. Okay. Oh my God, Lord. Tulungan niyo ako. Yahoo! 皆さん。私の名前はリリです。あなたのコニコちゃん、なんてもいい？コラー。Pwedeng i-off tong live. Ayoko na. Tumatayo yung balibo ko, guys. Tumatayo yung balibo ko. Riri. Kawaii desu ne. Ayoko na. Iyak, Riri. Ano yun? Dagdag ang mapapadlock. De, joke lang. Pwede na sa page. Sige. Good Lord. Tumatayo ng balibo ko, guys. Ayoko na. Hirap i-digest nun ha, parang kawaii desu ne. Sige, pakita ko na yung 8-8. Para isa na lang. Isang ano na lang. 8-8.
Mulat ng mata, gising sa umaga. Unat ang kamay, bumangon na sa kama. Kung inaantok pa, lumundag-lundag ka. Ahaha. Kung wala pa rin, huwag mo nang pilitin. Buksan na lang ang TV o sa radyo ay hanapin. Tunog at bagong step na nakakagising. Hihing 1 + 1 = 2.